Hello everyone, if you're getting this network timeout error in ARC with error code ART00004, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix network timeout error on your ARC easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you'll have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you will have WLAN. Just click on it and go into change settings of this connection. Click onto Internet Protocol version 4, go into properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write here 1.1.1.1 and then write 1.0.0.1. Click OK here, click OK here as well. Go ahead and disable your network device, and after that wait 15 to 20 seconds and then just enable it again. Wait for it to be connected. It can take a minute or two. And once it's connected, now you can go ahead and play ARC on your computer, and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.